Let me guess, you want to set up a water drinking reminder on your Apple Watch but can't find the feature? Well, that's because Apple does not offer the water reminder feature natively on the Apple Watch. However, you can easily add water reminder on the Apple Watch from the App Store. To do that, go to the App Store on your Apple Watch and search water reminder. There are a lot of options available, but my favorite one so far is the Water Reminder app. It's a straightforward and easy to use app that not only reminds you to drink water, but also helps you to track your daily intake. Here's why I think it's the perfect fit for Apple Watch users. First, the app lets you set personalized hydration goals based on your weight, activity level, and even the climate you live in, ensuring you get the right amount of water each day. Not only that, the reminders are also customizable, so you can choose how frequently you'd like the reminders to pop up. It's perfect if you have a busy schedule or just forget to stay hydrated. Once you have logged your water intake, it fills up a portion of the body graphic, giving you visual cues of how much more you need to drink to reach your daily goal. So, if you love intuitive graphics, then you'll love this app. The best part is that, apart from water, you can also log different types of beverages. So, if you're drinking tea, juice, or any other hydrating liquids, you can log those too, and Water Reminder will calculate them toward your daily hydration goal. In case you have accidentally added the wrong portions to your logs, you can delete them by going to the log section, pressing and holding the log of your choice, and then selecting yes to delete it. Overall, Water Reminder brings an essential feature to the Apple Watch that Apple does not offer natively as of yet. However, for the full app functionality, you will need to upgrade to the premium. So, if you want to keep at the top of your hydration game with reminders and easy logging right from your wrist, give Water Reminder a try. And that's how you can easily get a water reminder on your Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wearholic, and let me know in the comment what you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.